Fucking alright, every cunt. So this is going to be a review and an unboxing of the Pavoni espresso machine. I'll fucking show you what's in the box, and then we'll set it up and I'll make a coffee with it and I'll see if it's any good or not. Now, I don't actually like espresso, so I'll just be making like a normal coffee with it, but the cunts tell me that you can do that way and all. So you can make espresso, you can make normal coffee, and you can make those fucking foam milk drinks if you want them. Like if you've got a bird run or something and she wants one of the foam milk drinks, you can purify one of them with it. Now you'll see on the box I've had to fucking score my address out, because I ken there's hunters or robbing cunts out there, so I just ignore that bit. And the last thing I need to tell you is that the machine needs to go back to the manufacturer after this, because they're not letting me keep it or fuck all. So I'm no biased or nothing, because I'm not getting this for free. I need to ship it back to the cunts. So that'll let you just fucking honest on. I'm telling you straight truth, no fucking bullshit or nothing. Just I'll have a look at the machine, I'll tell you if it's any good or not, I'll send it back to them. Alright? Right, so here we are. Let's find out what's in this cunt. So this has been shipped all the way from Italy, they said. It took fucking ages. Cunts fucking blaming Brexit all the time, but they're just lazy bastards, really, to be honest with you. Oh wait, maybe I should open it like this, hold on. Maybe it opens like this, I don't know. I'm being careful with the box, because it needs to go back to them. And I'll be fucked if I'm buying a new box. No chance. Alright, so the box and a box. There it is, that's what we're looking for there. Pavoni. Italian or something. So it comes with a wee, I don't know, like a plug thing. Fucking cunts couldn't even put a normal plug on it. Sorry, I guess. Pure hunters, that's bubbly stuff. I thought that was going to pop, but it never popped. Just hold on. What's this? Alright, that's like the promo sheet that you later tells you all this shit. It's only a fucking coffee machine though, so I'm pretty sure I'll work it out. Pavoni, Dal 1905 Macchini for coffee. That's Italian for coffee machine. Don't fucking step in the box though, eh? Fuck's sakes. What's happened here? Look at this. Cheeky bastards. They'll fucking blame me for that when I send it back and all. Cunts. So we'll get this open. Fuck me. It's in another box. Holy fuck. Any cunt get time for this? Fucking boxes and boxes. Oh wait, hold on, I did actually see the wee pictures of it. You can get one with an eagle on top if you're that way inclined. What does it say? Fate a mano a Elano Dal 1905. I think 1905 is the model number for this machine, because Pavoni obviously make hundreds of different espresso machines, and the 1905 it's probably this model here. 3 drawings on it and that, like a barbecue thing or something, I don't know. Maybe you can use this if you're having barbecue. Oh, a big sticker on the side, look at that. La Liva. Don't know what that means. Don't speak Spanish, Italian, oh, fuck all. Manuals, not reading that shit. 2 manuals. It's fucking hundreds of this fucking messy shit. Hundreds of it. Pure polystyrene all over the fucking gaff now. What am I? Oh, fuck it, I'll hoover later. Fuck it. Hold on, it's stuck to fucking here. Right, I've got it out there. Something pure jingling in here, which isn't a good sign. Fuck me, is that it? Is that it? What the fuck? Fucking 500 notes this is, and all. What the fuck? So you get the wee mug hang. That bit comes out. I don't know. It's like this, like what they use in the cafes and that. Pour your drink with it. Here's the bits that are pure jingle. Look at that, big fucking 500 notes to give you a big fucking plastic spoon. I don't know. Give you a spare one of them. Ay, fuck off. Fuck off. Don't know what this is. I think this is what you keep your coffee in. Once you've made, like once you've got old coffee, you can put your old coffee in here. It's alright, I guess. No, that's what's been pure rattling about the place. Fucking Honels came off. Fuck's sakes. Are they joking? Honels came off already? Not even used it? What the fuck? It's kind of wet, this and all. I don't know if these cunts have sent me like a second horn one or something, I'm not sure. But, oh, fucking, I'll set this up. So that's the machine there, it comes with, fuck's sakes, 1 switch, 1 light, and a Honel. What the fuck? 500 notes? What the fuck's that? What's that? What the fuck? So that's that doesn't fucking fit very well either, does it? What the fuck? 500 notes, cunts are paying for this. What the fuck? So here's what you get for your money. You get your coffee machine. I mean, it's heavy, I'll get that. Comes with its Honel. I'll fit that later. I'll fit that later. Comes with a hang for old coffees. Comes with your pourer. And it comes with some plastic spoons. I don't know, man, fucking... Maybe cunts pure love Pavoni and that, I don't know, but... Get one of those Nespresso machines for, what, 80 quid or something? I mean, they'll do anything. They'll even fucking do tea. I don't know, man. Alright, so this is what you get for your money. Maybe it makes pure amazing espressos, I don't know. We'll get a bash, that's what we'll do next. I'll get her set up. I'll fucking make, I'm just gonna make a normal coffee. I don't fucking like espresso. So I'll just make a normal fucking coffee with it, but I'll tell you what, it's gonna have to be fucking, it's gonna need to be the best coffee the world's ever fucking seen. It's ridiculous, this. I don't know, I'm not feeling good value for money at the moment, to be honest with you. Aye. Alright, we'll move on. I'll do a section on how to make a drink with it and we'll fucking see what happens. Fucking alright, every cunt. So you join me here in the kitchen 3 fucking days later. Couldn't get a peep at the bastard for the first 2 days. I phoned them this morning and they've told me that I've got a couple of things arse about heed. Which didn't make any sense to me at the time, but it seems to be working now. So I'm going to show you how to make just like a regular coffee like I would have in the mornings. And I'll talk you through some of the bad points I've found about it, of which there's many, I'm afraid. So the first thing you need to do is you put this switch on here, and you'll see beneath it there's a wee green light. Fucking confusingly, the green light goes out when it's ready. It's came back on now, I don't know what's happening. But the green light goes out when it's ready. I think they've wired it wrong or something, but it doesn't make much sense to me. So the first thing you need to do is you crank this on, and then you get your you wait for your green light to go out, and at that point you can start filling it with coffee. Now it needs to be wee. You can't use instant coffee. You can't use beans with it. It needs to be the proper stuff. We use this. This is the Dunkin' Donut French vanilla. It's the same one they use in the shop, so it's a really good coffee. This is one of my favourites. Set that there. The first thing you want to do is you take, word of warning, it's fucking roasting this thing. I've burnt myself hundreds of times with it now. It's fucking roasting. So the first thing you do is you take out your wee pourer thing and you put the coffee in this. Remember that big long spoon I gave you? This guy here? That's for getting right to the bottom of the bag with the coffee. Oh, it's lovely that. You can smell the vanilla. Delicious. See that big spoon? Right to the bottom. Clever. Spoon's the best thing about this so far. So we get a whole... I just use the one spoon for this, that's enough for me really. And you put it in here. Put it in like that. And you can see it's just wee granules of coffee, this. Spin there just now. And they give you this dumper thing that you, hold on. That's the one. 2 different sizes though, so one doesn't even fit. You squeeze it in there, the guy said. And that should be it. And what you do now is you plug this back in, right? Hold on. I think that's it. And then at this point you're ready to get coffee out it. But you'll notice the first problem here is that the fucking size that rang. It is a nightmare to try and get a mug in it. So you've got to try and scoop this underneath and make sure that's alright. Once you finally get your mug in there, you want to pull up in this big honnel. And that puts this pours all the coffee out. So just hold the horn up. Coffee's pure pouring out there. You can smell that vanilla. It's delicious. So that's me there. Getting it out, it's a pain as well because you can't even pour a whole cup, otherwise you spill it everywhere. So you've got to do like half a cup and kind of ease it out. That's what the guy said that tray's for. I thought it was for keeping coffee in and that, but actually, when you're pulling your mug out, you tend to spill it in there, and that's to catch that. So we've got our coffee here. It smells lovely. You can really smell that vanilla. Oh, you want to turn this off, by the way, when you're not using it, because it's fucking roasting all the time. And we'll do a wee try of the coffee out of this. Now I've obviously not made an espresso or anything. I take a normal coffee. No, not any of the fancy stuff really. Drip of milk from me as well. Just a wee bit of milk. You don't want to go crazy with it. You want to taste the coffee. I mean, it's not bad, but what a fucking palaver it is. It's a nightmare. I certainly wouldn't recommend this to anybody. No by a long way.